All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So anytime I get session files that I'm going to be mixing, one of the things that I definitely like to do before I start mixing is I like to clean the files up. And as you can see, I have my track stacks all set up, and I'm going to start cleaning the vocals. In this case, this is basically all programming, so I don't know that you need to clean up anything in the drums or in the tonals, mainly in the vocals. So let's open up the vocal right here. This is going to open up the stack. There it is. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to go to the lead. This is the lead right here, by the way. And hold on a sec. Let me change my icons real quick. Boom. There we go. That's better. So again, I'm going to go to this lead vocal. And right here is where the region starts to make noise, right? So I'm going to set a cycle bar right here from 2 to 3. See that? So now 2 to 3, and I'm gonna hit play. You hear that right away. You hear that it's a nice big deep breath, and obviously singers have to do that, and we want to clean that up before we get started, because otherwise when the song starts, it's just gonna have that big deep breath. Some people like to leave that in. For me, it's circumstantial, right? So before we do that, let's talk about this box right here. This box right here. This is the command click tool. Now, I introduced you to this way back when we did Intro to Logic. And I told you that we would learn more about this later on. So it's later on. So here we go, right? So if you click on the command click tool and you scroll down, you can choose a tool that will be accessible to you by holding command. So let's see what that looks like. In this case, I'm going to go to the scissor tool because I'm going to be using this tool a lot, and I'm going to click that. And as you can see, now the scissors is in the command click box. Now watch what happens. Okay, we're going to make this file a little bit bigger, region. And this is the breath right here. Now look at my mouse. When I hit command, or when I hold command, that mouse icon, that pointer is going to change to scissors. Watch. See that? See how it changes from pointer to scissors? Because I'm holding command. So anytime I'm holding command, it will move to scissors. Right? So here's the breath that I want to get out of here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold command. I'm gonna click and I'm gonna drag, click, hold, and drag to like right there. And I'm gonna cut this section right here. Now I'm gonna click on this and I'm just gonna hit delete. Now the next thing I wanna do, because this is the beginning of the vocal, next thing I wanna do is open up a fade tool. And remember, the shortcut for the toolbox is T, and then the shortcut for the fade tool is A. You should know this by now. Now what I wanna do here is I'm gonna set up a fade. I'm going to set that fade up to about there. So this is basically that little dot right there is pretty much when it's going to get to its loudest point. In this case, I don't want it to go over into the wave. I just want it to go right outside of it. So it's going to go there, and let's take a listen. See how much better that is? Now it just comes right in, right? If we were to command Z that, command Z, look at the difference. Here's without the fade, and then here's with the fade. See the difference? So it's nice and tight, and it just kind of flows with the music, right? So let's do one more. Let's go to measure 6, and we're gonna do a cycle bar from 6 to 7. Now look what happens right here too. See that? Let's play this with some context. So let's go from measure 5 to measure 8.
Need you here to save me. It's not easy, know that someone hurt.
See, so we don't need to cut this out, but this is what I do. Okay, this is part of my workflow, and I'm expecting to see your session this way as well. It's just a good practice. So I'm gonna hold command and see how now it doesn't matter what tool is in my toolbox. When I hold command, it's gonna move to scissors. This is very, 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 very convenient. So here's the breath. I'm gonna cut right here. I'm going to cut right there. I'm going to hold TT, press TT, click on that. We're going to delete that breath. And then I'm going to go to the fade tool. So T and then A is the fade tool. And I'm actually going to add a little fade right there, a little bit, so that there's no clicking or anything at the end of that. And then I'm going to click right here, a little bit of a fade here, boom. And now when we listen to that in context from measure 5 to measure 8, this is what you get.
Need you here to save me. It's not easy, no, that's all.
See what I'm saying? So what you're going to have to do is clean up all the breathing in these vocal files, in all of these vocal files. All right, this is easy stuff. I know you can do it. I'm expecting you to do it. And just remember, use that command click tool. It just makes things so much easier. So if you're going to be using the scissors a lot, click on that, go to scissors or fades or marquee or whatever it is that you're going to be using. And then when you press command, it makes life way easier. Anyway, guys, clean these files up and let's get ready for the next video.